In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Klaviyo with Squarespace on your PC. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type klaviyo.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into this page. And as you can see from that page, you can actually click at login if you have an account. Once you click here, as you can see, this will take you to the login page. So all you need to do, just go and enter your email, password, check if this I'm not a robot, then log in into your account. Of course, you can even log in with the SSO. If you don't have a Klaviyo account, you can click at let's get started so you can actually create your account. Just fill all the information needed here to create your account. And of course, click at Get Started to create your account. Once you're logged in or you created your account, you'll find yourself on this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on Klaviyo website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to integrate Klaviyo with Squarespace. And if we want to do that, we can just simply scroll down or not scroll down, just go to the bottom left corner, then click on integrations. That should take you into this page. Go to this name includes and click on it, then simply type Squarespace. As you can see, if you didn't find it, that means it's not included on the website that you can include with Klaviyo. Because as you can see, if you scroll here, you will not find Squarespace at all. That means it is not allowed or you cannot actually integrate it with your Klaviyo. But of course, you'll have here a lot of other websites if you want to. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.